और अब आपको बराह रास्त लिए चलेंगे। वज़ीर आज़म मियां मोहम्मद शहबाज शरीफ तकरीब से खिताब कर रहे हैं।
With the UAE, which continues to deepen across nearly every domain of life, our economic partnership stands as a shining example of this collaboration, with the UAE lending critical support to our economy. Excellency, with Pakistan's economy stabilizing, we stand ready to welcome Emirati investment in renewable energy, AI, fintech, agriculture and minerals. Ladies and gentlemen, at the heart of our enduring relationship lie our people, the 1.8 million Pakistanis who consider the UAE as their second home and who contribute tirelessly to its economic progress across diverse sectors, and they are obviously making great contributions in nation building efforts in UAE, making all Pakistanis very proud of them. Today the UAE flies not only on its skyline of achievements but also over the hearts of millions who admire this nation's vision under the dynamic leadership of my very dear brother, His Highness Sheikh Mohammed bin Zayed, President of UAE. May the coming years bring even deeper cooperation, greater prosperity and enduring peace to Pakistan, the UAE and the wider region. Thank you all. Eid al-Ittihad Mubarak. Pakistan, UAE Dosti Zindabad.
I would like to invite the Ambassador of United Arab Emirates and His Excellency, the Honorable Prime Minister of the Islamic Republic of Pakistan, to join for cake cutting.